Patio doors are more than just an entryway to your outdoor space. They're a key part of your home's security. For homeowners in Pasadena, choosing patio doors with the right security features is essential for protecting your home while maintaining comfort and style. With modern advancements in design and technology, today's patio doors offer a range of features that enhance safety without sacrificing convenience. One of the most important security features to look for is a strong locking system. Traditional single-point locks may not provide enough protection, especially for larger glass doors. Modern patio doors often come with multi-point locking systems that secure the door at several points along the frame. This makes it much more difficult for the door to be forced open and provides a tighter, more secure seal when closed. The type of glass used in your patio door also plays a major role in security. Standard glass can be vulnerable to breakage, but impact-resistant or tempered glass offers much greater durability. Tempered glass is designed to break into small, less dangerous pieces, while laminated or impact-resistant glass includes a layer that holds the glass together even if it cracks. This added strength makes it harder for intruders to gain entry and provides an extra layer of protection for your home. Frame material is another important factor to consider. Strong, durable materials such as reinforced vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass help improve the overall security of your patio doors. A sturdy frame resists bending, warping, and damage, ensuring that the door remains secure over time. In Pasadena, where homes may experience heat and environmental exposure, choosing a material that maintains its strength is especially important. Sliding patio doors should also include anti-lift features. Without this protection, the door panel could potentially be lifted out of its track. Anti-lift devices are designed to prevent this from happening by securing the door firmly in place. This simple feature adds an extra layer of defense and helps ensure your door remains properly aligned and secure. Another feature to look for is reinforced tracks and rollers. High-quality tracks keep the door moving smoothly while also preventing tampering. Some patio doors include track blockers or additional reinforcements that make it more difficult for the door to be forced open. These enhancements improve both functionality and security. Security bars or secondary locking devices can also be a valuable addition. These features act as a backup to your main locking system, providing extra protection when the door is closed. They are especially useful for homeowners who want additional peace of mind, particularly at night or when away from home. Proper sealing is another aspect that contributes to security. A well-sealed patio door not only improves energy efficiency but also ensures there are no gaps that could be exploited. Tight seals and weather stripping help keep the door firmly in place, reducing movement and increasing overall stability. Visibility and lighting also play a role in security. Patio doors with clear, unobstructed glass allow you to easily see outside, helping you stay aware of your surroundings. Pairing your doors with adequate outdoor lighting further enhances safety by deterring potential intruders. Professional installation is critical when it comes to maximizing security features. Even the most advanced patio door won't perform as intended if it's not installed correctly. Proper alignment, secure fastening, and accurate fitting all ensure that the door operates smoothly and provides the level of protection it was designed for. In addition to security, many of these features also contribute to comfort and efficiency. Strong seals, durable materials, and advanced glass options help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce noise, creating a more comfortable living environment. This means you're not only improving safety but also enhancing the overall performance of your home. In the end, choosing the right patio doors in Pasadena means looking beyond appearance and focusing on features that provide real protection. From multi-point locks and impact-resistant glass to reinforced frames and professional installation, each element plays a role in keeping your home secure. By investing in patio doors with these features, you can enjoy both peace of mind and a stylish, functional addition to your home.